Trent Limited just hit a record high. Here's what you need to know. Trent Limited, part of the Tata Group, saw its stock price hit a record high recently. Why the surge? Citi initiated coverage with a buy rating and a price target of Rs 9,250, a 21% uptick from its previous close. But that's not all. Over the past 3 years, Trent's stock has skyrocketed by an astonishing 702%. So, what's driving this growth? Citi points to Trent's strategic use of its supply chain and successful brands like Westside and Zudio. Plus, their multi-format approach, including fashion, lifestyle, grocery, and personal care, is paying off. From FY19 to FY24, Trent's revenue grew at a 36% CAGR. And looking ahead, revenue, EBITDA, and PAT CAGRs are projected to be 41%, 44%, and 56% respectively from FY24 to FY27. This robust financial performance reflects Trent's effective business strategy. No wonder the stock soared 4.32% to Rs 7,939. Keep an eye on Trent Limited. It's a stock to watch.